to start by saying that I'm not sponsored by Fitbit in any way. This is not a product that they sent to me. This is just my thoughts after owning a Fitbit Inspire HR for 3 months. As I picked it up in January, had access to an early release through my job, and also picked up this screen protector that I want to install, and hopefully this will help you to think through picking up this product or possibly considering getting something else. And so I'll touch base on the Charge 3 and why I went with this one instead, because I was a previous owner of the Charge 2. And so let's get right into it here. The next thing I want to go into is some key differences between the Inspire HR and the Charge 3. The Charge 3 has quick replies, and that's something that's only available on Android phones. I have an iPhone, so it's not applicable. The other thing is Fitbit Pay, but you need to have the special edition Charge 3, and it's a little bit more expensive for that. The third thing is floors climbed. It's a cool feature, but really wasn't worth the price difference. And the fourth thing was 7 days of battery life on the Charge 3 versus 5 days on the Inspire HR. But to be honest, I really haven't had an issue as far as how often I need to charge this, and the battery charges really quickly. And so the next thing I want to show you is a really cool feature, which is the Swimproof. I think it goes up to 30 meters, but even though I'm not a swimmer, it's really came in handy. I have an 8-month-old, so taking care of bath time or washing dishes, things like that, I don't have to take the watch off for that. So I'll show a quick clip here of dropping this in some water, and then we'll move on to installing this screen protector. Okay, so here's the Inspire HR after the screen protector is installed, and the instructions say they give it a couple hours for it to fully settle, and so I'm sure any little bubbles or whatever will disappear, but it was pretty easy to do, and it looks fine. And so I'm thinking that will serve me well for what I need to do, because after having this 3 months, I had the tiniest little scratch on the screen, and the screen is pretty durable, but I just wanted to protect it for the long term. Some things to note after 3 months is the band. There was like a texture on it that's worn down. These watches do come with a 1-year warranty, and I had some issues with the band on the Charge 2 that Fitbit replaced 2 times before the year warranty was up, and I ended up just going with a stainless steel band eventually, because it was an issue with the glue actually up here. They've changed it now where the seam is on the bottom, so I'm hoping that it will be a little bit more durable. But anyways, I wanted to just go over this video with you guys here, and in my opinion, if you're considering the Charge 3 or the Inspire HR, I think you should save the money and go with this option. it does everything the Charge 3 does, and if you have an iPhone especially, you really, the difference is even, the list is even smaller. So what I'll do is put a link to the Inspire HR in the description below, and I'll also put a link to the IQ Shield screen protector that I used in this video. So thanks for following along here, and I hope you have a great day.